Well, now's not the time to give up, YouTube. You damn right, it snowed all last night. Well, not last night, this morning. No, they didn't have snow in the forecast. Went to sleep, completely dry, woke up, snow everywhere. Roads completely covered, no snow plows, no nothing. Currently unloading, first load of the day. We got a real late start. It's very hard to get up at 4 in the morning when it's snow completely covering the road, at least 4 inches. Can't see the lanes. Can't tell if you're going down the mountain or up the mountain. And around here, if you miss that sign that say 9% grade ahead, you don't see the sign, baby. It's a long way down, baby. It's a long way down. I didn't see the sign. I just noticed the RPM was going all the way up to 2,000. I was like, oh, I must be going down the mountain. Guess what, baby? When it's snowing like this, there ain't no brakes. You better hold on tight, baby. It's a long way down. No lines, no tire tracks. Yeah, it wasn't no tire tracks to follow. You know, you could usually follow the tire tracks that somebody else already made. Nope. I was making my own tire tracks. We got the tank grounded off over there. As you can see, currently unloading into the storage tanks back here. Doing some service work today, getting paid by the hour. Oh, this is hourly work. So, take your time, baby. Take your time. The only person here today. I got 4 different lanes. I'm unloading this first lane. They got 2, 3, or 4, so 4 trucks can unload at the same time. Look like we halfway unloaded. About to do some chaining today. So I gotta get these chains ready. Probably gonna have to go with the triples over there. The single ain't gonna work, man. If I get loaded and go up the mountain, like I said, ain't no snow plows came. Probably gonna have to pull them triples out, chain like 4 tires in the back to get up the mountain with all this weight. Right now I'm empty though. I'm emptying this out. But when I get loaded, depending on where I'm going to, hopefully I'm not going back up the mountain because the mountain is real slick. So like I said, they didn't have snow in the forecast for the day. We just woke up to it. Woke up to it. Welcome to North Dakota, baby. Well, you just wake up to it. And they still ain't got no snow in the forecast for the rest of the week. Say it's supposed to get up to 50-something degrees, I believe, tomorrow or the day after. Which means all this is gonna be ice. Which means more chaining of the tires. So all week we're gonna be chaining tires. So, y'all, one of y'all asking for a chain and tire video. Depending on where I'm chaining tires at, if I'm on like something like this and not the side of the road, see if I can make a chain and tire video for you. But you know, part of being in North Dakota, baby, can you drive in the snow? Can you drive on ice? Can you chain tires? Can you drive 18 speed with a lot of power on it? Can you do heavy haul? Can you do 4 axles? Can you do 3 axles? Can you do a drop axle? You can do all that. You still ain't qualified to come to North Dakota, baby, because there's a little bit more to it than that. There's a little bit more to it than that. That's just part of the gatekeeping. It's part of the gatekeeping, baby. But I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Give y'all a little update, let y'all know we got hit by a snowstorm without warning. All the roads are covered. Hopefully the snowplow guys wake up this morning and start dumping sand or brine or whatever they use to clear the roads. Hopefully they get that going. Cause it wasn't none of that this morning. Look like I got about 10 minutes to go. Go over here and check these gauges. So that's where we at with it, man. It's the first load of the pay week. New pay week just started today. we get paid bi-weekly, so I got another 2 weeks. I get off work March 13th. That's when I go home. We get 2 weeks off. It's 28 days on, 14 days off. So March 13th is my home time. And we on what, February 25th. Everything look good up there. They ain't got no heat going up in here. Could have sworn they had heat in here before. I'm all trained up, man. Know how to operate the tank at this point. I can load it, I can unload it, I can do service work, I can vacuum stuff. I'm all trained up on it. The only thing I ain't done yet, like I said, is that fourth axle on the trailer. It's the only thing I ain't done. I done went through the treacherous weather, the hardcore weather, the negative temperatures, the cold temperatures. If you got the proper clothing on, these are negative 40-degree insulated boots. No, my feet is not cold when I got these boots on. These boots was about $120. You just need insulated boots. You can put on regular socks. I just got on some regular socks. I don't even got no wool socks on because the boots are so insulated. Then you got your insulated coveralls. Then underneath that, you got you're gonna have some snow pants on underneath this. So snow pants, insulated coveralls, and below the snow pants, you're gonna have your Under Armour 4.0s, the pants and the shirt. I don't have the Under Armours, I got the wool on, so like, I don't know if I can see. Yeah, I got the merino wool shirt on. That's all I got underneath these coveralls. So that's how you get around the 20 degree or 10 degree or whatever the temperature is right now. The temperature inside this outfit I got on is about 80 degrees, so I'm actually pretty hot out here right now. I'm almost empty. I'm actually pretty hot right now. Been driving with the damn windows down. So if y'all thinking about how you gonna survive in the cold weather, if you just buy the proper clothing, you'll be alright. But you don't hear me though. You don't hear me though, so when you don't hear me, you're gonna come out here with 5 pairs of t-shirts on, 5 pairs of cotton shirts. You're gonna put all this shit on, you're gonna step outside, you're gonna start sweating, and you're gonna freeze your ass off because you ain't wanna spend no money for the proper clothing. You ain't wanna spend $100 to get the negative 40-degree boots, so you out here with some regular rubber boots, freezing your little goddamn pinky toe off because you don't wanna pay $100. That's alright. You got to listen to me. I'm doing it for real, so don't mind me. But I'm finna let y'all go, man. Like I said, this is service work. Get paid by the hour. Look like the hose about to get to shaking. Matter of fact, dump some air. Finna get loaded up the street. Drop them airbags, allow that tanker to get the rest of that water off. Like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Let y'all know where it is for the day. Snowy conditions. Tomorrow could be ice.